Hello there and welcome to Key Stage 3 English. Today we're looking at the topic called characterization. Characterization refers to a way in which the writer helps us to imagine what characters are like. So look out for the following ways which describe character. Firstly, physical appearance. Secondly, direct description. Action, what they actually do. Dialogue, what they say, how they say it, and what others say about them. And the first person narrator's thoughts and comments on the particular character. Secondly, physical appearance. In real life, we shouldn't judge by looks, but authors often make them match their character. If we can picture characters, they become more real. For example, Miss Dreadnought's steely hair was pinned in a bun tight enough to withstand a storm. The drawstrings of her mouth were pulled tight in a permanent pucker of disapproval. Her small eyes, darkly suspicious, peered into everything. She trusted no one. So in this particular small extract of Miss Dreadnought's character, we can see that she was dressed very formally, or looked formal, in the sense that her hair was tied up in a bun. The drawstrings of her mouth were pulled tight, so in other words, her mouth was shut permanently. And she looked like she was expressing disapproval. She had small eyes, which were very suspicious looking, and she looked into everything in a lot of detail, like she didn't trust you. In this small extract, we get a very clear idea of Miss Dreadnought's actual character. And this is how you come up with characterization of a particular person. Let's go further down and have a further look at point number 3. So direct description means the most straightforward way of revealing a character. For example, Matty was a well-meaning boy, a little unsure of himself, but usually cheerful. So you're just getting straight to the point, a very short description of a direct description of a character. Point 4, action. We can judge characters by what they do. So the man was unarmed and held a white flag. Vincent shot him dead without a thought. So here, from the actions, we can tell that this particular man didn't have any weapons, he was unarmed, and he was holding a white flag. White flag means peace, so don't want any conflict. However, a person called Vincent actually shot him dead without a thought. So it just shows you the character of the person, the man with the white flag, that he was innocent and he didn't want any conflict. Whereas it also shows you the character through the action of Vincent, who shot him dead without a thought and just did not give him a chance. Let's look at point number 5 here. Point number 5 within characterization refers to dialogue. So conversations are revealing both by what is said and how it is said. So for example, I could pay you, just name an amount, he offered desperately. She spun round. Do you think I'd accept your filthy money after what you've done? So this is a dialogue of a script in a play, or probably in a movie or in a book. And from this dialogue, it reveals a lot about what somebody said and how they said it. And it gives you an idea of their characterization. Point number 6 means first person narration. When the story is told by one character, their choice of words is revealing. They may also comment on other characters as well. So Shane was my least favorite kind of person, mouthy, self-satisfied, and insensitive. So here we can tell from the first person technique of the narrator narrating this particular story, that Shane was not his or her favorite kind of person, because Shane was mouthy, he was self-satisfied, and he was very insensitive. So there are 6 different ways how you can develop characterization within your particular writing. Always remember that characters can be revealed through physical appearance, direct description, dialogue, and a narrator's thoughts and comments. And narrators may be unreliable. Their account may be influenced by their own personalities, but then that's for you to judge as a reader of what a person's characterization is like. Good luck with the rest of these questions that will go into a little bit more detail on this particular task. Thank you.